Patrick's Garage. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently, I have noticed that this is old, not so old, this is from 70s, from 240 series. This is Carburetor, Zenith Stromberg with made out of steel throttle shaft. Why this is so good as I think? Just because here, bushings which built into the body. This is steel bushings. They just built it into aluminum body, and also this is shaft made out from steel. So it'll be not so fast worn as just as example if our shaft made out from brass, like in previous models. You see one of them with brass shaft. This shaft, throttle shaft, made out from brass. So this is from B20 engine from 140 series, but this is carburetor from 240 series. You see difference in this shaft. So I think that we can use this is shaft for our carburetor Stromberg if our brass made shaft will be worn. Yes, we can use original shaft, they available, but our bushings also worn. And what we can do if they worn? We can only take them out and pressing in inside the body. But thing is that they incorporated into their body when this is body was as melted aluminum substance. So even if we pressing in, it not be so dependable as it was from the factory. So I decided just a little bit increase. We increasing inside diameter of bushings, and we can use shaft with a little bit bigger diameter. How we can do it? With brass made shaft, it will be so hard to implement this thing. We melted the diameter with welding, adding melted metal into the diameter, so to make diameter more bigger and thicker. With brass made shaft, this is so hard to do, but if our shaft made out from steel, like in the case with carburetor from 240 series, we can do this more easily. I think average welder can do this job, and it will not be so expensive. Maybe we can do it because this is steel. Anyway, we can add diameter, increase inside diameter in the bushing, and turner can machine our shaft, so it will be matched to our inside diameter of bushings, so we can using this shaft for our carburetor. Here you see different position of leverage when we step on the gas. Here this lever pulls air, open open our throttle plate. There you see it. So yeah, air lever on this side, then this side. This is 240 series carburetor. So shaft diameter exactly the same. And where is our carburetor? For 140 series here from one side, these old mechanisms here and here. So I think that if carburetor from later models, it's not so bad as we can think maybe earlier. So we can take some parts from carburetor from earliest models, and here also I don't know. Maybe this is carburetor, this is shaft without seals, but in previous carburetor, like in my car, in these bushings not builded in the seals. But I don't know, I can't say exactly about this model. We can take it apart and look inside. But what about carburetor from 240 series? We know from our wise books that air inside these bushings builded in seal, and maybe here we can take this steel shaft. This is metal, this is steel, I think. We can take this shaft as I think with these seals. In diameter, these seals approximately like valve steam seals, but will be better to take with these bushings because they intended for special seals. So will be better going that way with take this. Here you see rust. This signal that this is shaft made out from steel rust, like in the body of our cars. So, what do you think about that? You can let me know in the comments box. I'm really interested in what you think about that. But I don't want to rush with any decisions with carburetor, so like before step on the gas, we a little slow down every time before implement something like this, take from another carburetor parts. I would sincerely appreciate if you like, share and subscribe. These seals prevent from penetration of uncounted air. That's exactly what they are supposed to do. We can replace this shaft before bushings are really worn, and we can replace this shaft before bushing really worn several times. Brass, very soft metal. Old carburetors had problems with worn shafts forever because their shafts were made out of brass to begin with. So later they decided that it will be better to use a steel shaft. What is there to argue about? And now they don't make these things like they used to. Or let me rephrase it, they don't them at all anymore.